we got to turn on the other one. Okay, we can turn on this one. Summerland Key Airport. Airport Drive South. This is an active runway. What's going on at the airport today? Got a tied down Bonanza. Had an adventure van. That place got new windows, looks like. Couple 172s. Okay, how much is this one? How much is this one? Do you remember? That is 270 Airport Drive South. It was 270, we can look it up. And then there's a hangar down here that needs a house built on top of it. Be cool if you could put a modular on top of it.
I don't see why you couldn't.
I don't know.
Down.
Wait. Oh, it's still coming. There's another one for sale. That's a new one. This is another one. This is the hangar one. Definitely got a big hangar. Okay. Watch for airplanes. Nothing coming. Get out of the way. There's one of my favorite planes. Cherokee 6. That's a nice one too. It'd be a fun one to take a ride in. Yeah, the Piper 6. Oh man, yeah. This one here's pretty cool too. That's a Cardinal. I gotta get a picture of that. It's a Cardinal. That's a beauty. I had one of these. Nice looking plane. Hell yeah. I'm gonna look it up online just for fun. That was just like my Cardinal. 30747. Maybe we had an airplane coming in. helicopter landing zone. Nice float plane, been sitting there for a couple weeks. Okay.